Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you use Google Translate. To use Google Translate, you will either access it through a web browser or dedicated mobile app. If you want to use the app itself, you want to open up your respective app store and type in Google Translate and install it. So after it is completely installed, then you want to click open, and then you have this or you could just go ahead and log in with your Google account itself. So now what you could do is, in order to use it, so you could either type in a text or paste in a text as well, or else you could also use this microphone icon in order to take a voice record, and it's gonna go ahead and quickly translate it. So you could also use the camera option to translate it. So for now, what I'm gonna do is, here I'm gonna just go ahead and type in the text. So you could see this is the actual text. In order to make changes with your current language, you could go ahead and tap on the language. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to Cantonese. Here it is. You could see this is the particular language translated. In order to add a new translation, click on the plus button at the bottom of the page. You can then go ahead and select the language as well. First of all, convert from English to any other language, or from any other language to English. So this is how you'll be able to use Google Translate. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.